Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Tiffany. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, friends. Today we're doing an unboxing of the new Erin Condren Fall Seasonal Surprise Box. I just received it in the mail today and I'm going to open it with you and show you what's inside. Let's get started. So I'm already in love with this box as soon as I opened it because it has this beautiful wine color, which is almost exactly what I plan to use as a color theme in my house for the fall and holiday season. So that is just perfect for what I have planned in my home, and hopefully some of the things inside can be used around the house as well. The inside of the box says the secret ingredient is love. Very beautiful. Now let's see what's actually inside the box. The first thing we get is this cute little card that also says the secret ingredient is love. And then you open it up, it tells you about the things inside, which I won't look at closely because I want to go through each of the things, and then it tells you a little bit more about the things included. So the first thing I grab are these cute little fall stickers, and I really do love when Erin Condren comes out with these cute smaller stickers that can be used in multiple planners. I love the pumpkins in different shades and the beautiful rose gold phrases that are throughout the page as well. The second sheet has some check boxes, some box stickers, some dots, and some half circles. And then it also has a few prompts here at the top as well. These will be great to use in my planners as well, particularly the new agenda planner that I'm using now. The next thing that they have is this really cute holiday petite planner. Erin Condren has never offered a holiday petite planner before, and you know I love the petite planning system. I'm not currently using the daily petite planner anymore, but I'm still using a lot of my smaller petite planners for different things, and it would be great to have one for the holiday season. So let's open this up really quickly and see what's inside. Right away, I love the gold metallic foliage. Let's see what the layout is. So how to use this petite planner. It gives you some instructions and backgrounds on things. It gives you some prompts for checking in. It gives you calendars. Oh, this is nice. Undated calendars. This month's priorities. Taking care of myself. This month's to-dos. Traditions, new traditions to try, decor. Oh, I love that because I'm planning for the fall. This would be great. And then holiday gathering meal plan with a shopping list and cooking schedule. Holiday gathering meal plan, looking back, reflections on the holidays. Oh, this is really beautiful. And then this is another undated month. I guess with the same layout, the priorities, to-dos, traditions, decor, and the meal plans. So this is really, really nice. Maybe you could do this for multiple years, I'm thinking. Or if you wanted to use it for, like, say, Thanksgiving and then Christmas and then New Year's, I guess you could use it for that as well. But it's a really great way to capture your holiday memories. And there's a lot of space for pictures and to-do lists and check boxes and all those great things. So I actually might try to use this year. This just gives a lot of space. And I love the fact that it has some prompts there to kind of help you realize what you need. The only thing I don't see in this planner, let me just flip through it one more time. I don't see, okay, maybe it's further along. So there's a budget tracker, which is great for all your expenses. And then a holiday card planner. Okay, this is what I was looking for. A holiday card planner. So your card budget. Oh, the mail by date. This has a little bit of everything. Photo shoot prep, photo shoot notes, holiday card list. I love this. Oh, this is so great. This is, yes, I'm definitely using this year. Holiday gift list, that's what I was looking for. Where do I put my gifts? Okay, holiday gift list, holiday gift planner for each person, and then the things that you want to buy them, and then how much you spent on their gifts. Oh, this is nice. This is really, really nice and well thought out. Group gift tracker. This is for like your office parties or maybe groups that you're associated with if they have holiday events. Gift wrapping ideas, shopping list. Oh, I love that. I love that. Group gift tracker, gift wish list. So gifts, the stores, and the price, I guess, for yourself, which is great because I actually do a gift wish list for myself. So this is really cool to track that. And then a gift price tracker. So the gift, the recipient, the store, and the price that you paid for their gift. That's nice. Gifts to order, gifts to mail, gifts to wrap, gifts to deliver. Oh, this is awesome. Holiday baking tracker. Wow. Yeah, I would definitely be using that this year. And then some dot grid pages for pictures and for memory keeping and all of that for your holiday. And it also includes a pocket. No stickers this time, but that's okay because it has a lot of great things inside. So this is wonderful. I definitely plan to use this. This is the new Erin Condren Holiday Planner. According to the card they provided, the Holiday Petite Planner is exclusive to the box and valued at $14. And speaking of that, the sticker sheets, the 2 sticker sheets we received were exclusive to the box, and they are $5.50. So those are also exclusive to the box. So the next thing we have is this really cute foil, rose gold foil interchangeable planner cover. And it looks like it's for the 7x9. I'm pretty sure it is. It would be a nice way to kind of coordinate all of your planners for the fall season. And that is what the planners look like. On screen, they may look a little pink, but they're actually more like a beige color in person. And then it has the rose gold on top. And then on the inside, it has the pink florals with the beige and then lined space on this side and then a blank space on the other side. And that is the interchangeable cover. Then we have these really cute marker duos. And these are metallic markers, it looks like. A pink and maybe silver. Okay, so there are 2 metallic markers that come in the pack. This one is a silver. Very pretty. A nice size barrel. I love that. And then this one is probably either red or pink. And yes, it looks like almost like a rose gold color. And these will be great for using on gift tags or gift wrap, or if you're designing your own cards. I love using metallic markers for those kind of things. And this is what the 2 markers look like. So one is a silver and then the other one is like a rose gold color. There may be more of these coming and in other colors as well. Then we have this rose gold pen holder clip, which is really cute because it has the Erin Condren asterisk on the side, and it comes with the little clip, so that is really cute. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging right now just because I'm not sure exactly where or how I'm going to use it, but it definitely is very, very cute and chic. I love it. And then we have these really cute little baking muffin inserts. So what are these called? You can tell I'm not a baker, right? These are the Cupcake Gifting Set. So it comes in the box in this really pretty mauve color. And it actually has another piece to it. It actually has 2 boxes that will hold 12 cupcake liners. And then it's 2 trays. Oh, 2 trays that go in the boxes that hold 6 cupcakes per tray. So the 2 boxes hold 12 cupcakes. So the cupcake boxes and the cupcake liners are a set. Okay, so this is actually really cute as well. It is a nice tea towel. It opens up. Whoa. It opens up pretty big with the mid-century circles in the pretty mauve color and the neutral background. And it also has the saying that is associated with this box. The secret ingredient is love. So that's really cute. A nice way to decorate your kitchen. And then last but definitely not least is this really cute notepad with a stand-up holder. I know this was one of the sneak peeks actually of the box that a lot of people were excited about, myself included. This is just great to be able to put in your office area or in your planning area. It includes a really nice notepad that includes the days of the week as well as a checkbox section, and it's actually perforated here so you can tear this off and take it along with you. So Monday through Sunday, and a notes section. You can have your events for the week or things you need to do, and then you also have a tear off to-do list, grocery shopping list, anything you want to use this list for as well. And from what I understand, you can also take and boom, make this stand up. I don't know if you can see that well on camera, but it actually sits up on your desk in the event that you want to use it like that. This is also very cute. It's in a rose gold, a leather-esque type material. The notepad, the tea towel, the baking liners, the duo sticker set, the asterisk pen holder, the metallic markers, the rose gold cover, the holiday planner, and the cupcake boxes. I think it's a really nice box, definitely geared towards preparing for the holidays, which I actually prefer because if you get it in the winter box, then a lot of times it might be right up on Christmas or the holidays or even after the holidays and you don't really have time to use it. So I definitely plan to use my holiday planner. I'm excited about that. Also the metallic markers, I would definitely be using those. The notepad, all the other things, hopefully I'll be able to implement in my planning and holiday preparations as well. If you did purchase this fall seasonal surprise box, let me know in the comments below whether you like the items that were provided. If so, what was your favorite item? If you didn't like the items, what were you expecting and did not see in your seasonal surprise box? Either way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Take care!